So guys, for the first method, you want to head over to search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And now once we're on this, you want to click on other troubleshooters. And now you want to find network and internet. Click on run. And now this will come up, the network and internet troubleshooter. If it detects any problems, it will try to fix it for you. See if that works. For the second method, if you're using a VPN or proxy, then you want to disable it. For the next method, you want to head over to search and type in view network connections. Click on it. And then once we're on this, you want to find your network adapter. You want to double click on it. And then click on properties. And then click on Internet Protocol version 4. Make sure that you have obtain an IP address automatically selected and obtain DNS server address automatically selected as well. So just keep this on the default options like how it is on my screen and then click on OK. See if that works. For the last method, you want to head over to search and type in network reset. Click on it. And then once we're on this, you want to click on reset now and then click on yes. It's now going to restart your computer in 5 minutes, or you can just do it yourself right now. And this should now fix your problem.